Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your battery percentage not showing on your Xiaomi POCO M8. So first of all, we need to check whether it's just enabled in the settings, but later on we may need to do some other fixes if it's not showing for some other reason. Normally it would be just settings, then notifications and status bar, and then you'll find battery indicator, and you can set it to either of these two here with the percentage, and that will display it. But of course there are some other things to think about, which might be checking if your battery sensor is working. You may want to restart the device by pressing and holding on power and or not holding, just press on power and volume up, then slide up to power off or restart. I could have selected restart, but let's wait now. I'll just press and hold instead to turn the phone on. It vibrated, so it'll turn itself on. It may reset the battery sensor. Also, we may want to set up an app called Battery Widget to see if it may help if your battery percentage is still not showing. In my case, it's showing all the time, but if in your case it's not, you may want to go to the Play Store and try downloading a proper app for it. Let's go to the search and then search for Battery Widget. That's not really the best, of course, solution, because the best it would be if it worked, but it is sort of a temporary solution, because if there's something going on with the battery sensor, I would always recommend going to some authorized support service and see that. But yeah, we can do that to start it automatically or manually. I'll do automatically. Then you can see we have it right here shown, and you can add the widget. You can select the battery widget, and well, it didn't show up here. Let's see, let's just try seeing if we can add a widget like so. I think it is sorted by names, or maybe not. Oh, it's not really sorted. Yeah, we can add it like so. So that's what you can do in case there's any problem going on. Let's approve it. And as you can see, we have this little widget right here, which shows our battery percentage. You can move it to any other page, like here, for example. Why does it say not enough space? I'm sure there is some space, but never mind. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.